Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 310 Limited Factory Crew Cab Non-Runner Wet Belt Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 122484. MOT, the 11th of April 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing, wet belt has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: aircon, alloy wheels, 2 keys, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 7,420.